Hello. What it will take to remove the nasty urine odor from your precious Oriental rug. My name is Mayor Martin, and I am the owner, the inventor, and the builder of the PetPeePee company. I put together an odor-free from the Dead Sea that will remove the urine odor. A cleaning product that it is odor-free will remove the nasty urine odor from your high quality, a beautiful Oriental rug that you love. And more. I guarantee in writing, color will never run, because I am not using the carpet cleaner equipment and enzyme. I have my own secret cleaning product that's break down the urine crystal. And the machine that I built many years ago, 2002, the XpetPee, will vacuum from under the rug all the Dead Sea cleaner that is on the top of the rug. I am washing your Oriental rug through the rug, through the fiber. This is how I remove all the urine crystal and all the cleaning product that you used. Look at this Persian rug, made in the 1860, more than 160 years ago. Pure silk, vegetable dye, made to a perfection. The doctor from Tennessee bought this rug in auction, and it was saturated with a urine odor. This rug from Nevada, the same story. Beautiful runner, wool, shiny and beautiful. Dog pee-pee, it smells so bad. I have to remove the urine odor without make the navy blue color move to the white beige. This is a challenge. So I put together a natural cleaner from the Dead Sea that will never deposit any unpleasant smell into the rug. Never. Because you pay me to remove the odor, not to cover it with a deodorizer or enzyme. If you want to cover it, you go to your pet store and buy the deodorizer and you spray it, and it will cost you $10. But you pay me to remove the nasty odor from the rug and not deposit a new odor into the rug. This is what PetPeePee stands for. many pet owners with Oriental rug believe that ordinary carpet cleaner or Oriental rug cleaner can remove the urine odor because they're cleaning the rug. However, removing the urine odor, it is much greater challenge for everyone because the urine odor, the urine crystal, it's hiding deep inside the foundation of the rug. It means the Oriental rug must be washed from the top to bottom through the rug. Not like all the other Oriental rug cleaner that's washing the rug from left to right with a scrubber, with a squeezy, and hope so that you will pay them because they know removing the urine odor have to be done through the rug. And this is the XpetPee machine purpose, to clean the Oriental rug through the rug, washing all the crystal through the fiber and removing the nasty odor that you pay me to do. PetPeePee, an educated consumer, is my best customer. Thank you for watching.